Today is quite different because it's unboxing day, and guess what we are unboxing today? Stay with me. Hi everyone, this is Pilot Anu here, sharing my journey in the cockpit and beyond so that you can learn, grow and fly higher. Guess what we have here? Let me show you when I received it. So I ordered my headset on Amazon and it arrived. My captain brought it. I was so glad when she gave it to me. So we are going to be unboxing it together so that you can see how the new A30 Bose headset looks like. This is the warranty card that I have in my hands now, and this is the receipts. This is the manual. This thing is quite thick. The headset comes with a warranty of up to 5 years once you register. In order to register, all you need to do is to go to the Bose website. When you sign in, then you put in the serial number of your product and you are registered. I also made sure to leave a link in the description box that you can use to buy your A30 headset. Left some other links that you can use to buy some aviation accessories. Feel free to check them out. So yes, this is a dual jack headset. When you are buying any headset, it is important that you check because you want to make sure that your headset is compatible with the aircraft you are flying. One thing I noticed about the dual jack headsets is that it can fit into almost all aircrafts. In fact, I don't want to say all because I don't want to be too sure. And this is another attachment to hold the headset so that it doesn't dangle. That's the other jack part. And it also comes with batteries because for the noise cancelling part you need to use batteries so that you can have the noise cancelling at all times. So the batteries, I don't think these particular batteries are rechargeable, so it might need like replacement every now and then. To see how slick this headset is, come on now, check it out. Yes, it's quite expensive, but trust me, I've been using it now for almost like 3 weeks and I will say it is worth every dime. It is worth it. It's worth waiting to buy something very, very good. And if you watched up to this point, don't forget to like, subscribe, share with a friend that will share with another friend. So here I was trying to test the headset out to see how it works. So this other part of the headset is where you turn it on. This is the Bluetooth section because you can also use it for Bluetooth with your phone, with your iPad, with your whatever Bluetooth. You can use it to listen to music. And so overall I will say it is a very good purchase.